Hi everyone, welcome to this short tutorial on Khan Academy for your students in K-5 at Nextdoor. My name is Mary Nell Ryan. I'm a member of the professional development team, and I'm delighted to share this information with you today. Let's get started. Khan Academy is an online tool that Nextdoor has selected to use with your students in K-5 to support the development of their skills and competencies in math. We're going to take a look at Khan Academy and how it's set up your account so you can access your child's information and check their progress and submit assignments around Khan Academy being used as part of our math curriculum. We'll end our time this morning taking a look at what your student will see and opportunities for you to potentially help your student. So what is Khan Academy? Khan Academy is an online learning tool that uses thousands of different learning and practice approaches to create and support effective learning. It's all deeply research-based and aligned with state and national school readiness goals. One of the reasons we like Khan Academy is that it engages and motivates our students in a game-like environment. It provides progress monitoring without needing to take separate anxiety-producing tests. It provides immediate feedback on your child's progress. Khan Academy is available via iPad, Chromebook, or browser. It should already be loaded into the device that Nextdoor provided for your student. So one thing that is really important for us to understand, there are two different versions of Khan Academy. What we want to get at is the one that is directed to K-5. And to do that, we need to access khanacademy.org. So if you're getting this on Google Play or the App Store, make sure you're asking for khanacademy.org, not just plain Khan Academy. If you go to regular Khan Academy, you will know you're on the wrong one when you see classes and lessons for Calculus 2 and Advanced Physics. Move out of that one and try khanacademy.org. That is the site that is appropriate for our K-5 students. So here's what it will look like if you're using a web browser. You'll put in khanacademy.org and this screen comes up. You want to select learners. You want to be able to connect this device and access your student's class and your student's work. The next screen that comes up asks you to enter a class code. This information is provided to you from your student's teacher. So to join this the first time, you need to enter the class code provided by the teacher. The next screen that comes up is where you'll input that particular code that is unique to your child's class. Click continue. The next screen that comes up says you're joining the name of your student's classroom here at Nextdoor. So now that you've created this account and you've logged and connected to that classroom, now you're ready to log into your existing account. Yes, again, we want to join that class. And this is where you will then put in the username and password for your child that has been assigned to you and shared with you by your child's teacher. When your child's teacher set this up, they assigned a unique username to your child and then a password. That information, along with the class code, will be shared with you from the teacher. So you put that information in. Welcome to Khan Academy. Let's start learning. The first time you log in, you get this message that your teacher has made assignments and possibly mastery goals for this K-5 Next Door math class. So if you don't see anything, remind your teacher that you're waiting for them to make the assignments. So we click onward and we come to the landing page for your child. We're already in an existing class. What we want to click on is assignments. This will show us what we're assigned to do and how far your student has made progress in accomplishing those assignments. So after clicking on assignments, you will see a listing. I think there are like 58 different lessons that are assigned to your child. This landing page, this assignment page, also gives you information on the status. If your child has completed that particular unit over here on the right-hand side, it will say completed. If they haven't started it, this is how they could launch it, by clicking on start or clicking on the actual assignment title here. We also have a due date and time. And as you can see, so far we've completed 3 units and we still have some more to go. So once your child clicks on that unit to start, there will be 2 short videos demonstrating what the child is supposed to do. In this case, the directions are to put 7 squirrels in the box. Your child is directed to click on the picture and drag it into the box and count up to 7 to get 7 squirrels in the box. As I said, this is narrated and directed. Then after they finish the first 2 samples, then they are on their own. Sometimes there's narration, most of the time there isn't. So in this case, how do we count the ponies? Choice A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or choice B, 1, skip, 2, 3, 4, 5. As a family member, you may need to support your child in understanding what the directions are. Once the child selects an answer, let's say A, they can check their progress by clicking here and getting more information. Or if they decided that they really are comfortable with their answer, we click the screen, we get our immediate feedback. Nice work, 1 done, keep going. We'll also see that it was the correct answer because there's a green check mark and your child is told they got the correct answer. Also down at the bottom, we can see progress. Do 7 problems. We have 1 green circle. That means we've completed one activity. If we're finished with this page, we go to the next question. And the units continue like that. One thing you may be wondering is some of these numbers and letters at the top of certain activities. What this means is this activity corresponds with the state and federal standards for math on that particular skill level. And once your child does it consistently, they get all 7 problems correct, you can feel confident that they are meeting those learning standards for this particular math skill. So that's really it. Your teacher will give you your class code, your student's username and password, and to make sure that you get into the correct class, and then work with your child to help him or her gain their confidence and steadiness with Khan Academy and their math skills. Thank you so much for your time.